Let's now switch our focus to the coronavirus update in the country. The cases in India have crossed the 6 million mark. This is the 60 lakh mark on Sunday evening, with the latest million infections coming in 11 days, and the number of deaths from the disease approached 1 lakh, even as the number of those who have so far recovered surpassed the 5 million mark, that is 50 lakhs. The data from the Health Ministry is yet to come this morning, but cases reported from the states last evening have taken India past the 6 million or the 60 lakh mark. India is the second worst affected country by the coronavirus pandemic, second only to the United States, which has more than 72 lakh cases. And let's listen to what the Health Minister has spoken about. In fact, there are reports that have come in on how people who've already recovered once from COVID could get COVID again. They're not safe from getting reinfected. The Union Health Minister Harsh Vardhan has addressed these concerns. He said that this issue of reinfection is being investigated, though it's not serious. He said it's not a serious issue at this moment. The Union Minister was addressing his weekly program, the Sunday Samvad. Let's listen in to what he said.
At the moment, the subject is still under investigation and doesn't appear to be a serious issue. However, in the Ministry of Health, each and every aspect of COVID-19 that is emerging is being actively studied and researched. You can be sure that these reports of reinfection are also being sufficiently examined. Expert panels working under the ICMR umbrella are examining this issue. Although the number of reinfection cases are negligible at the moment, yet we are fully seized of the importance of the matter. Please be reassured.
Right, we're joined by Sukirti Dwivedi for the latest on the coronavirus cases in India. Sukirti, very concerning that India is steadily crossing milestones after milestones, and not in a good way. We've added 11 lakh infections, I beg your pardon, the last million in 11 days. Just take us through at what the Health Ministry is saying. We just heard the Health Minister speak about reinfections, but what are the other concerns that they're focusing on right now?
Well, yes, as far as the Health Minister's concerns are concerned, one, of course, he said about reinfections is that while the reinfection cases have been negligible, the ministry is carrying out investigations, as well as the ICMR's expert panel is looking into why these cases of reinfection happen. Apart from that, he said that the ICMR second sero survey says that India is very far from herd immunity and at this point of time, and that so anybody who thinks that they can lower down their precautions, can be lenient about COVID appropriate behavior, should not think that way, because herd immunity is not something we are going to achieve anytime soon. So all precautions should be the first priority. Apart from that, he said that treatment therapies, whether it is remdesivir or the plasma therapy, they should not be encouraged on a routine basis. These are investigational therapies, and only for specific cases where doctors have said that this is the absolute option that one should go for. Only in those cases these should be used, not on a daily basis for every other patient. The Health Minister has also asked the states to lower down the prices of testing. He said that India's strategy at this point of time is to go on testing more and more people, and at this point of time, if the charges for tests are very high, it will not be easily accessible for the common people. While those are the key issues that the Health Minister is focusing on, these increasing numbers, as you mentioned, that now 60 lakh cases, total 60 lakh cases is what India has. Very worrying figures, especially even in states like Kerala, now appearing in the top 5 when it comes to states that have witnessed the highest number of cases in the last 24 hours. Which is Kerala's highest rise as well, of over 7,000 cases. So while states like Maharashtra have already been reporting the highest cases, even others like Kerala now getting into the top 5.
Right, thank you very much, Sukirti.